I wanted to introduce to you our summer marketing intern. It's Cooper Thomas. He's a senior, will be a senior at ASU. Okay, Cooper, I know you're going to be a senior, and we've got to get you ready and prepared to be out looking for a job when you graduate. And so, what is it that you're wanting to get out of this intern that you feel would be helpful?
Well, see, we've already started with, we've already started on that. So you helped me complete my resume, made it more appropriate, and pulled out the best things that I bring towards a job and what qualifies me towards a job. You've helped me set up a LinkedIn account. You've helped me redo my social media life. So if owners of the company wish to come and look at the people that they could possibly be hiring, they can see that my social media life and presence is a nice presence. There's nothing inappropriate about it or anything at all. Also, besides that, I'm going to be able to watch you interview other people who are going to be like applying for other jobs, and so I can see how they do it, and you can tell me what to do better than what they did, and so I can do better in my interviews when I get older for real jobs.